So this is the third time I'm doing this. It still feels dry, but not as bad as it was. You would be glad to hear that I invested, or should I say my husband invested in a little stand for my phone. I'm delighted. It makes it easier for me, and I'm sure it's more pleasant for you. I don't know, I think I'll do this maybe another 3 times. Make sure it's well soaked in. It's very dry, so I'm hoping it will work. Yeah, still very dry. It's just a bit of cooking oil, olive oil. And every time I put it on, it soaks into it. I think I mentioned before how I was watching a YouTube video about somebody restoring an old tool. And the tool had a wooden handle, and oh my gosh, you think it would never have been able to be fixed. But they soaked it for a whole week in a tub of oil, and it was really good. It really changed it. So this started off a very awful looking, tired looking, neglected looking pale wood, and it instantly turned to darker with the first coat. So I'm going to see how I got on with it. Who cares what this whole bit of ground and gravel looks like? Who cares what it looks like? When you go a little bit further and you can see that. And who cares what this whole life is like? For at the end of the journey, you'll have heaven. And heaven's not private. It's open to everybody who places their trust in Jesus Christ and the work he did on the cross, instead of placing their trust in their own goodness, or thinking that there is no God and there is no heaven and there's no hell. Thanks for watching.